Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump back into ICP. Now guys, we're still ranging for the first week of July, okay? Bitcoin between that 105k to 108k. ETH still around 2.4k. ICP today, still number 35, hovering just below $5. Now, one thing I wanted to show you guys was something I tweeted a couple days ago. And it was just a reminder that all of you guys have been played, not once, not twice, not 3 times, 4 times, but 5 times right now, okay? 5 times right at capitulation lows. That's when the end of the world FUD has been at its peak pretty much, guys, okay? So we got to remember that at cycle tops, everything's going to go up forever. Or that's at least going to be the narrative, right? Crypto's a safe haven for everything. You know, you're stupid if you're not holding crypto. You need to full port all of your assets into crypto. Right now, we're not there yet, guys. We've still been getting all of these fear-baiting narratives at lows. And the recent one was right here at a low, just sub 100k. And guess what, guys? 1 week later, we've completely reversed that price action. Another thing that's very interesting is that OmniSpot now supports US stocks, and users can purchase fractional shares of US stocks using USDT under the stock section, guys, okay? Stable coins becoming more legit. A lot of people that hold stable coins, I hold a lot of my money in stable coins, a lot of my, spare cash that I want to be DCAing into the market in stable coins. If we can now start to buy stock, start to buy other commodities with stable coins, again, this time a few years ago, none of us would have expected that. So this, technically, very bullish. If you want to follow the whales, you're going to see that whales are buying Bitcoin at an insane pace. Again, still record highs while we are still at 100k. This would indicate that we've got much higher to go. And this doesn't mean it won't happen. Be careful out there. But there hasn't been a red July for nearly 10 years. Okay? Nearly 10, well, it has been 10 years. This will be the 10th year of no red Julys. Average return 3.35% in the S&P. You guys know that when the S&P pumps, when the stocks pump, Bitcoin usually does follow this as well, guys. So if we're in for another green July, this is going to be great for the price of Bitcoin. And it could also send us on that last parabolic move to the bull run top. And you guys can see here, if this trend is anything to go by, if it's anything to put some weight on, then before the end of the year, we should be topping out at around 138k, according to this chart. This is the total market cap, including Bitcoin. It's everything, right? So it's not just altcoins. It's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum. I think this includes stables as well. But right now, retesting the multi-year trend line. The past 3 times we've retested it, we've had big moves to come after. Now, that's great, but what's going on in the world of ICP? Developer activity is exploding on the internet computer. Very attracting metric in the cryptosphere. You're seeing on sentiment here, ICP developer activity spiking. Compare it to SUI, right? Spiking. ICP ETH, okay? Completely destroying ETH. ICP ADA, boom. So very, very good metrics to see from the ICP team. And on top of that, we're in a massive falling wedge. And last time we were in one of these falling wedges, this was like peak fear. Everybody was saying that ICP is a dead coin, it's a shit coin, you should never hold ICP. Usually down here is when everybody is leaving the market. Even though you look at this chart from an unbiased perspective and you say, wow, super bullish setup. If you can be getting in here close to the apex, you most likely, or you'd like to put a bet on the fact that you're going to make some very decent returns coming out of this, guys. So we come to the Bitcoin chart. We're on the 15-minute chart. We're on the smaller time frame today, guys. Looking really good. We've got order blocks. We've been putting a lot of focus on order blocks because they've been working so well over the past few weeks, guys. But you've got order blocks all the way from 105k stacking up to 106k. On the 15-minute chart, if you want to go to the 4-hour chart, guys, then again, you're going to see here our median actually didn't get retested. And sometimes these things happen, right, where we're waiting for a specific price and then people start to front run it. Okay, I had orders down here of longs at around 104k. Am I going to get them? Is this now going to be a new higher low before an eventual breakout retest? Boom. We're going to find out soon, guys. But ICP coming into a 15-minute sell order block. If we break through this, next key resistance is going to be around $4.83 on the short-term time frame. Remember, this is short-term, guys. But when we do zoom out a little bit, you're going to see that we are trying to break out of this downtrend that we've been in for the past couple of days. You go to the daily chart, and boom, if we do continue this uptrend, then big resistance is going to be around $6.19. For the price of ICP, we got support all the way down to 420. So again, we're going to have to keep our eyes on what Bitcoin is doing, if this really is a true higher low. Maybe we do just need to chop back around here, I don't know, for the next couple of weeks or so. We're going to find out. If we can get a breakout and retest, then we can long the breakout, which would be very, very nice. And it will be a great way for us to be getting some extra money on the next moves for not only Bitcoin, ICP, but then some of our other altcoins as well, guys. So eyes on the prize, $6 and $4.50. And $4.50 for support. You guys let me know how you're feeling about the price of ICP in the comments right now. If you made it this far, you know what to do. Like the video, leave me a comment. I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.